Ever wondered how to naturally relieve a stubborn cough? Perhaps you've tried everything in your arsenal and nothing seems to work. Vasaka is another herb that deserves a mention. It works to clear respiratory congestion and supports healthy breathing, making it a valuable ally in the fight against coughs. Our next herb, haldi, or turmeric, is a superstar in the world of natural remedies. It helps alleviate coughs caused by infections and supports immune health, making it a staple in any natural remedy cabinet. Adrak, or ginger, is another herb that can soothe the throat, improve digestion, and boost the immune system. It's a triple threat against coughs. Finally, we have haritaki. This herb removes excess mucus, supports digestion, and aids in detoxification. It's like a cleanse for your system that can help alleviate that stubborn cough.